Hello everyone, we welcome you all to the new crafty session. Today we are going to show you different techniques by which we can create some of the beautiful things out of the modeling clay. First we are going to show you how we can make the octopus using the modeling clay. You can just pause the video so that you can try to make it perfectly. Let's next move towards our another project. From this circular chapati, we are going to create some of the creatures that will look so fascinating and so amazing at the end. You just have to make a cut using a knife at the center. After that, you just have to take the inner portions from the outside, and we have made some of the patterns using the comb, and beads are also to be used so that you can add features towards the eye area. This looks so nice and easy. You can definitely give it a try. Just go for this one. Using this mustard colored clay, we are going to convert it into some of the cute little animated cartoon creatures. This activity is again very simple, it's very less time consuming. Moreover, you don't require that much of the things or the material for this one. Just beads are to be added and toothpick is to be used to add the nostril area. And after that we are going towards our another project. We may require a comb for adding some of the patterns to this chapati. Then cuts are to be made at the center and we are rolling and twisting them and converting them into somewhat circular shape. Then we are going to make the fins of the fish. You can just pause the video and after that you can try to make this one. Eyes are to be added around the eye area using the beads. This looks so nice and easy. Just go for it. Let's move towards our another project. This is the simplest of the all. We are going to show you by tying the knot you can convert this clay into some beautiful birds. Just go for this one. This looks so perfect. It's time to try to make some of the centipedes. These are somewhat scary creatures, but today we are going to make the one again making use of the modeling clay. You may require dark beads so that they will represent the eyes of such scary and frightening creatures. Just give it a try. It's very less time consuming activity also. Our next project is little bit time consuming. We are going to show you circular flower patterns. This is little bit time consuming because you have to do various type of the steps for this one. We may require dates also that we are going to insert towards the inner side of the petals. Be careful while you are trying to make these roses. It looks so perfect and nice at the end. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 12 to 13. See how we are able to make this in just few simple steps. Let's now move towards our another project. Here we are going to show you how we can create this animal face that's a piggy in just few simple steps. Just give it a try. It looks so nice and easy. We will next try to make a pair of the birds. For this I am rolling, twisting and turning these clay using my hands. I am going to make some of the other features of this bird. This is so easy and nice. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. It's very less time consuming also. Thank you for watching our videos.